Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix. Today I'm showing you how to find your drafts on Instagram. First, open Instagram and make sure you're on the home screen. Swipe right to open the camera, then tap Post at the bottom. Now select any photo from your gallery and tap Next. Here's where it gets important. Instead of posting, tap the back arrow in the top left corner. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to save as a draft. Tap Save Draft, and your post is now saved. To access your Instagram drafts, tap the plus button in the top left corner, like you're creating a new post. Right next to Recent, you'll see Drafts. Tap on it. Here are all your saved Instagram draft posts. You can edit the caption, tag people, or delete any draft you don't need anymore. And that's it. Now you know how to view and manage your Instagram drafts. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to ClickFix for more quick tutorials. See you on the next one.